Hey y'all, so welcome back to the channel. So today is not a travel video, but it has to do with travel. So I'm going to be reviewing the Level 8 Trunk 28-inch luggage. So it is some very big luggage, big girl. So Level 8 reached out to me and they wanted me to review this luggage. So they aren't paying me for this, so this is my honest review. Now it is gifted, so I will tell you that, but I promise you I will tell you exactly what I think about this luggage. So let me open this and show you what this looks like. So it's nice, it comes in like a little dust bag. So this is like a nice dust bag. Oh, this is so pretty. All right, so I got the all black. Can you tell I love black? And it spins well, so that's nice. Who reached out to me was part of their Amazon team. So let me give you what the Amazon description says, so that way you can find it exactly. And I'll also link it in the description box below. On Amazon, this is called the Level 8 Trunk Luggage, 28-inch with spinner wheels, luminous texture, 28-inch checked large luggage, lightweight PC with TSA lock, 28-inch black. So like I said, I'll link it below because this is what their Amazon store says. But let me open this up and let you see it. So you have one large deep main pocket, and then you have a little clasp here. I like that. That's cool. Just push this little button, unleashes that, and it's mesh see-through so you can see all the way through that. And then let's look at this side. And then on this side you have two pockets. There it is. Right there on the top. And then this side is a bit more shallow than the other side. Same type of hook. Nice. You always have that little zipper, so if there's any time that you need to reach in there and I guess do anything with the interior, you can. It's nice. I like this gray color too. I have to say, I like when it's like not super light on the inside, but it's not like super dark, so I can kind of see what's in each side of my luggage. So that's nice. Okay, so now I want to see how well this works with my Cincha travel strap. So the Cincha strap is basically like this little strap that you can slide into the handle, and you can slide it into this handle right here, and it makes it easy for you to carry your backpacks or all these things. So all right, it fits. All right, so then you unsnap this, grab your bag. This is my camera bag. Then you just take it and you hook it on. So, works well. Fits great. That's nice. Oh, that's perfect. All right, so everything seems to be going great. So now I want to take it outside and roll it because it's supposed to have the low noise wheels. So I'm gonna take it outside on my driveway, roll this baby around. Hopefully my neighbors aren't out there wondering what I'm doing. But let's take it outside, see how it does. Also, y'all should know that before I run out here, the kids just got out of school, so all these kids are like playing up and down the street. So I know they're gonna be looking at me like I'm crazy. So enjoy the secondhand embarrassment that you're about to feel right now. So to give you a few of the specs on this luggage. So according to Amazon, it is 29.1 inches by 16.6 inches by 13.3, and that's including the wheels and the handles. There are 8 rubber padded spinner wheels with 100% aluminum telescoping ergonomic handle with 4 levels of effortless control and maneuverability. Its lightweight hard shell is made of 3-layer 100% Germany Bayer polycarbonate, so high strength, durable, and provides elasticity and resiliency. That's what it says. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you decide to buy it, affiliate link is below. And if you've watched all this way, I appreciate you. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.